Here's more advice from Rick and Marcus, your garage door professors. What are the advantages of steel roll-up garage doors? Steel garage doors offer several advantages that make them a popular choice for homeowners. One is durability. Steel doors are highly resistant to dents, cracks, and warping, making them a long-lasting option. Another is security. Steel is a strong material that provides excellent security against break-ins and harsh weather conditions. Then there's low maintenance. Unlike wood, steel doors don't require regular painting or staining. A simple cleaning with soap and water is usually enough to keep them looking good. Energy efficiency is another advantage. Insulated steel doors can help regulate the temperature in your garage, making it more comfortable and potentially lowering your overall energy costs. Steel garage doors also offer aesthetic versatility. Steel doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, including options that mimic the look of wood. And steel garage doors can be cost-effective. Steel doors are generally more affordable than other materials like wood or fiberglass, and their durability means fewer repairs and replacements over time. Installation costs can vary depending on your location and the complexity of the installation. But if you want a quality job at the best price, just call us at 602-672-1418. The Garage Door Professors at Affordable Garage Door Repair and Replacement are here to answer your questions and to offer you options to meet your needs and desires. We're always here for you. Just call us. There is no cost or obligation. Call us today.